In today's data-driven era, marketing is part art, but is mostly a science. And we know that you can't manage what you don't measure. Our Marketing Sciences solutions are applied across the entire event lifecycle. Pre-event, we can help you set high-level business strategies, goals, and predictive outcomes based on nearly 2 decades of industry benchmarking data. We can also assist you with gathering data-driven insights around which events, activation tools, survey design, targeted outreach, and audience modeling efforts are most effective. And at event, we'll facilitate planning for market research surveys, activation measurement, display and event analytics, social listening, and social amplification. Post-event, we'll support you with lead scoring, lead profiling, cross-tab analysis, cross-channel remarketing, lookalike targeting, dashboard reporting, and sales matching for you and your competitors. So whether you need a one-off study or entire program deep dive, we can help you discover insights, set strategies, or execute those plans, all within our data-driven marketing sciences framework. Stop thinking of your events as a display and venue, and start thinking about your events as the first step of a data-driven adventure. To learn more about how we help enterprise brands drive experiential marketing ROI, visit eshots.com.